Oh my god, that color. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. This orange is absolutely amazing. And these LEDs with this beautiful, beautiful metallic slat front, along with the big bold Volkswagen logo. Oh man, how stunning is this? Hold on, let me show you the side profile. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. How gorgeous is that? Absolutely stunning. The Tiguan Allspace is almost 109 millimeters longer than the regular Tiguan, and so there is a third row that gets packed in here because of that, and this beautiful crossover like SUV shape. So let's come back to the rear over here. 4Motion is an incredible four-wheel drive setup, very classy, understated, and of course the Tiguan Allspace badging. Very classy. Classy is the word over here. And let me show you Jadoo. Okay, that's the key. Unlocking. All right. Watch what happens. Okay, do it, man. Come on, you're on video. Woo! It's a party trick. Okay, so this is the third row of seats drop down, which is frankly how it should be used, because it gives you a ginormous 700 plus liters of boot space. Or else you can always all right, pull this up. You can have it split also. The third row of seats seems quite tight. I mean, of course there's bottle holders, etc., but this is a tight space. There's a lever right here. You pull this and boom. That's where the rear tire is. I mean, the quality is top notch, obviously. Obviously. Look at that cabin, will you? Just look at that cabin. Ignore the hand sanitizer bottle. Obviously, I kept it there because I was driving and I was traveling. Everything here is stunning to look at. Look at this beautiful texture. This tiny little sliver you see here is actually an LED light strip that lights up into a sleek white light at night. It's stunning. Beautiful grip, great quality buttons. I mean, who are we kidding? Fully electronically adjustable front driver's seat, and you can also save up to 3 profiles to set, and these are all the controls to adjust the seat. Stunning seat quality, great bolstering, great quality leather with stitching. Look at that headrest, super spongy, and without any doubt one of the safest cabins. 7 airbags here. You know, one of my favorite features, hold up, let me get right here. Okay, it's hot. One of my favorite features is this stunning all digital display. Oh my god, just look at that, would you? How stunning is that? Great legibility even when the sun is shining high on your head, just like it is now. Those are the different modes. Absolutely love this flat bottom steering wheel as well. All your cruise control controls here, along with the volume buttons. Your mode, etc., can be accessed here, along with skip track, etc. Now, European car, so to the left side here, the stock is of light, and to the right side is wipers, etc. You've got your auto headlamps right here, and oh my god, it's all LED headlamps, fantastic quality. Of course, this is an automatic, so you've got your 7-speed DSG transmission, which is one of my favorite features. Ignore the receipts. I drove to Igatpuri, and so I have driven this extensively, and oh my god, what a stunning experience. This actually is my favorite part about the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox is amazing. The 4Motion tech. Of course, this is a 4-wheel drive car, so you get multiple different modes to choose from. I just obviously most of it driving was on the road, so kept that. The parking sensors are obviously super sensitive and aggressive. Have to keep turning that off. On Jogeshwari Vikhroli Link Road, it keeps beeping till kingdom comes. Two incredible features that help: auto hold, so there's hill assist and descent control as well, and the automatic the parking brake, which is really cool. Goes without saying, there is auto cooling here. Nice touchscreen, dust fingerprints, yes, that's India. Turn that on and you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wired, not wireless. So what you see there are fortunately two USB ports, aux in and a 12 volt. Something strange is this. I mean, who uses SD cards and a CD-ROM slot? But that's here as well, okay, for old schoolers. Really nice, cool, practical cabin, great mirror, and of course, the big party trick. One of the big party tricks of Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace is the panoramic sunroof is giganormous. It's massive. Not the best idea to keep the sunroof curtain open, especially on a hot day like this here in Mumbai. But it's something that family, friends, everybody loves. So there's that too. Love it. There's an SOS button right here, which is great in case of any particular emergency. But the cabin really is absolutely understated and classy. Very sporty indeed, you know. So that's the thing about the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. I was looking at some of the numbers of, how many Tiguans get sold. The premium SUV segment, which is what this belongs to, considering this is about 43 lakh rupees on road. That is the Bangalore on-road price I checked. It's about 33 lakh rupees ex-showroom. So you're really in the space of Ford Endeavour, Toyota Fortuner, and the Gloster and Alturas by Mahindra. So I don't know if any other cabin feels as classy. Frankly, the trump card for the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace is that understated German European classiness. It's subtle, it's sophisticated, and that's exactly what you feel when you're driving. One quick feedback though that I'm not a fan of is how stiff the suspension is. Now, stiff suspension is equal to good, sporty, controlled, composed drive, yes, but roads like Mumbai, which is akin to surface of Mars, you really hear the thud of the suspension inside the cabin quite a lot. Not a fan of that. What I am, however, a fan of is how practical this cabin is. For example, these fantastic parcel trays right here. I could sit here and work from home all day long, straight out of the Tiguan Allspace, which would be a great place to be in considering how well the NVH levels are controlled, and sitting here pretty much cancels out the cacophony of sounds outside. The air conditioning is great and there are enough charging points out there. On the road, of course, the close to 190 PS of power is absolutely fantastic. Dollops of power with that 2-liter TSI engine that Volkswagen has packed into the Tiguan Allspace. The third row of seats, according to me, are best left down. Unless you really want to put in people you don't really like in the third row. I'm not sure how practical it is for anything longer than a 5 to 10 minute trip. I mean, of course, a pet, etc. would be okay there. But any human beings putting there, you would immediately make it very clear that you don't like them very much. Classy cabin, classy cabin. There's soft touch materials everywhere. Great quality. I mean, of course, this has gotten slightly dirty because this is probably a media review car, but classiness every single place. I love the all black interior. I'm a huge fan of that. The only flip side being that it does get significantly hot in the tropical weather that we've got here. Nice armrest right here. I mean, you want to feel like a boss? Sit in the second row. The seat cushioning is fantastic. Did I say the third row is really, really tight? I think the real question to ask is, what kind of a rich person are you? Do you want the kind of monstrosity and the road presence that the Ford Endeavour and the Toyota Fortuner offer, or do you want the absolutely spoiled to silly feature list of the MG Gloster or the Mahindra Altiras, or you're somebody who likes subtle things? Then the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace is a great option. And just for a little bit of spunk, get the Tiguan Allspace in this incredibly fiery rich orange color. Yep. The Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace has been an SUV that I have absolutely loved driving. It's almost a practical SUV with a mileage of close to 8 to 9 kilometers per liter. But frankly, the kind of driving experience that you get in the Tiguan Allspace is something that is much higher than the class it belongs to. Yes, it is a 40 lakh plus SUV, but you really feel like you're driving something that's worth 50 to 60 lakh rupees. And that is its real trump card. The drive is incredible, albeit a little stiff for my liking. Practical cabin, lots of space, and super premium experience in terms of the material and the driving dynamics and modes, etc. on offer. The automatic gearbox is among the best automatics that you will ever come across, and the tuning of the 7-speed automatic with the 4-wheel drive extracts the best amount of power out of this 2-liter TSI engine. So yeah, Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace has given me an absolutely delightful time driving around. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video, and let me know in the comments if the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace is your soul animal. Cheers.